Welcome to the channel, YouTubers. Sawmill Bill 70 here. Hey, I'm down here at the sawmill shed again, and it's a beautiful day, no wind, not a cloud in the sky, and it's probably in the 60s right now. And I'm down here. I'm going to start trying to get rid of this dirt pile here and spread it into the back of the sawmill shed. And there's the pile, and here's, if you just a newcomer, you don't know what's going on, this is what I've done so far. I had to cut a tree down and a stump and get that out of the way. But anyway, I've got all this to fill in. Got that tin to remove. I don't know if I'll get that far if I have enough dirt, but it's going to take quite a bit of dirt. But, you know, got to start somewhere. Anyway. And yeah, I don't know if it doesn't, the last video I took of this, it doesn't show this tree growing around this rock. It really looks like it's biting into it. It's really cool. But like I said, it's a pretty big rock. But I never expected that to happen when I set that rock there. But hey, yeah, nature does what it does. So anyway, I'll bring you along when I start using. Of course, I'm using the LX665 skid loader, and it's a New Holland. But you know, I'm sure all of you know that have been watching. And there's what's left of my burn. When I burn again, I'll have to throw all that in and burn that up. Then that fell outside the ring. But anyway, I'll get back with you when I start doing something. Alright, I don't know how well you can hear. I have it in a case. And this case has a magnet on it, and I'm going to try to get a different view of this. So anyway, there's where we're at so far. I think we dumped 3 loads. But anyway, I'll get back to you. Okay. Well, sorry, my battery went dead. I don't know where it went dead at what point, but I'll show you. You can see the dirt pile is all gone. Of course, you know, that's the fire ring, but dirt pile's gone, and it's been transferred over here, and yeah, it's quite a bank of dirt there, and I'll probably end up taking my compactor, my plate compactor, over this after I get it. You can see where the wheels compacted it, and it's not compacted in the middle. So now I don't think that compactor is going to compact it to what this did, because I was driving over with a bucket load of dirt, a lot of weight, plus the weight of the machine. But anyway, this is where we're at. We're probably we're about halfway. Well, that's halfway, that post there. So yeah, we got halfway with that. So that's pretty good. I'm quite content with that. Seemed to go good. You can see the tracks are, well, they're not real close to the edge, but you know, as long as that edge holds up, that's all. I don't want to tumble down in there. It's not a long distance, but I would definitely end up on my head if if it mattered, if I was still alive. But anyway, but yeah, that went good. Happy with it. So, but anyway, that's where we're at, and that's going to conclude this video. I appreciate everybody coming along, and we got a little bit done here. Yesterday, you see me finishing up that trench, and I know that wasn't, I don't know, maybe it was exciting, maybe it wasn't. If there's somebody interested in or looking at thinking about buying one of those, you know, they would really be interested in that, I'm sure. But I know I was when I was looking to buy it, and I wanted to see what they would do. And you know, I figured I could improve on it, and I did. Like I said, with all that framework I put on it, probably added another 300 to 400 pounds to it. And it, you know, but you're going to see more of me using that. After I'm done here, I've got the bank over here to dig out yet. Down around, I got some saplings to cut out there. It's closing in the driveway here, but you know, and probably have another, when we get a rainy day, we'll have another fire video. Everybody can break out their marshmallows and have a party. But yeah, I'm happy with this. This is great. This is quite a slope right here. I know you can't see it. It's hard to tell. Well, maybe you can tell a little bit, but it's pretty steep. And that's it. So if you would, please subscribe, hit the like button, tell a friend. And it's a beautiful day. Maybe I'll do some more today, get another video going. But I'm about 3 videos ahead right now. So and this is Wednesday. I don't even know what day it is. Well, anyway, whatever day it is. But so catch you all in the next video. I appreciate you all watching.